Bella, what are we doing? What are we doing? What's going on, the world loyalists, and welcome to another PC build. I got a new motherboard here, STRIX Z270F gaming motherboard. We're going to be using the Core i7. Yeah, so this is going to be a huge upgrade for my AMD processor. I got a DDR4 compared to my DDR3, 16 gig RAM. And the biggest upgrade for me is going to be the GeForce GTX 1060. With upgrades, it should make a PC VR ready, even though I probably won't be using that much VR, as well as 4K ready. Alright guys, it's all done. Well, not quite all done. We still have to install Windows 10 and all that jazz, but got that rainbow look. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Let me know what you guys think of the setup. The one thing I do need to replace is the fans though. This is an old fan, and there's two fans in the front. This is from my old PC back in like 2005, maybe 6. So I need to replace that, but apart from that, it's all new stuff. But yeah guys, that's all I got. Make sure you hit that like button, subscribe to this channel if you guys want to see more of the PC build and stuff like that. But I did one last year, and also the one before that. I think there was two maybe a year and a half ago. But I have 2 videos of that if you guys want to check that out. I have a playlist annotated somewhere for you guys. And yeah, hit that like button, subscribe to this channel, and I'll see you in the next one. So until next time, this is TriDentZ RBG. LATERZ.